Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel, Dave Heroic. So today I will teach you on how to create a free US number. So you can get a free US number using either Test Plus or Test Now. I did a video already on Test Now already, so you can go on my previous video to check Test Now. So today I'll be showing you how to create a free US number on either Test Plus or NextPlus. So now let's take for example, so you have to download these two apps, Ola VPN and TextPlus, either TextPlus or NextPlus. So make sure that your settings, your time zone on your phone is set to your local country as expected, and you are not going to connect this your Ola VPN, because I'm going to open my Ola VPN. I've downloaded the VPN. I'm going to open it. Now after opening my Ola VPN, I will go over to either TextPlus or NextPlus. So I will make use of, let me make use of TextPlus. So I will connect my accounts to Greece. So immediately I connect the accounts to Greece, I will click on continue because I think it's giving us an hour. So I'll click on allow, and it say it's worked, so which means it's connected. So I'm going to use an hour to do that. So TextPlus is getting opened. So the TextPlus account is opened. Now I forgot to remind you that you have to create a Gmail account, a new Gmail account. You have to use a Gmail account. So now what we are going to do is click on create new account. So we can sign up with Google or others. So I'll click on sign up with Google. So immediately I click on sign up with Google. So and it suggests it's going to suggest me the Google account I want to use. So which means I have to pick one of the Google accounts I will be using. So let me see if I can use this, or probably I have to change it. So but let me use this email. So I'll click on continue. So immediately I click on continue, then if it brings the reCAPTCHA option, so I have to click on the reCAPTCHA option. So let's continue. That's me. So get your number. So I'm going for the free number bundle. So I'll click on continue, and here am I. So I'll select the state I want to, based on the states I want to choose in. So I can just go for any state, but I think I would prefer to go for Texas. So I can prefer to go for Texas. So let me go for Texas, and it will ask me to select the area code. So I have to select an area code. So let me go for 409, and I'm gonna click on get a custom number. Okay, it says something went wrong, so let me try another state. Select area code. Okay, there's no phone number available for this state. So Texas is still the main option I want to go for, because you can see that immediately I click on Texas have some number available in the locality. So let me just choose another area code, and I can activate another number. Okay, so I think I have to keep retrying to see if I'm able to get a number. So let me try another state. Let's see if Wyoming will give us 1. So let's get a custom number. So I have to change it again. I click on Idaho. So immediately I click on Idaho, I click on 208 number. So and I click on get a custom number. So immediately I click on get a custom number, it asks me to verify if I'm a human. So I have to verify my it said I should click on motorcycle. So I have to search the motorcycle and click on them, do the capture. So then I click on, let me click on verify. So that's not going through. So the bridges, so it asks me to verify the bridges. So this one bridge, the second bridge, and where is the third bridge? Yeah, this is the third bridge. So let's verify. So and that is verified. So we still have the same issue with connection. So one moment while we validate your account. Let's see if we are going to be validated. So we're waiting for validation. So one thing about it is, I think it's giving me the error of connection issue. So you might try it at your end and your connection might be secured, might be okay, and you can get the number easily. So you can just try the first state I tried, which is Texas, and you can go on about it. So I did that already. I did on TextPlus. That's how you are going to get a free US number on TextPlus. So I'll go over to so I'll try again later to check the number. So I'll go over to our Nest Now, so you can check on how to go about Nest Now as well. So but if I want to go over to Nest Now, I have to edit the VPN to be able to link me to the Nest Now app as well, so you can try it out the two. So let me go over to Nest Now. So let me leave here. Okay, let me try again one more time. So let me click on Text Now, Texas, and I click on the country code again. Let me click on 409, and let me get a custom number. So activating. I'm not a robot. So I have to click on verify now. Let me say I verify cars. So let me retry the cars. So these are cars. So I click on verify now. Okay, I keep getting issue of connection problem. So you can try it at your end and definitely it will work. So it works more for people that are using iOS 17 and 18 as well. So and let's go over to Nest Now. So let me remove the app. Let me remove this app. Let's go over to Nest Now. So let me refresh. Let me disconnect first. Let me disconnect the VPN. So immediately I disconnect the VPN, so I want to check on Nest Now app. So I've downloaded the Nest Now app. Let's see. Let me get onto Nest Now, and we are on. Yeah, we have Nest Plus. So now on Nest Plus, I have to click on Nest Plus. So I have to go on with Grace as well. So I'll search for Grace. So click on Grace. It's worked and it's connected. So the app will launch itself. So same thing we did on TextPlus, we are going to click on create a new account. Yeah, we can sign up with Google as well. We sign up with Google. So this is Nest Now. So if you're unable to go on with TextPlus, you can try Nest Plus as well. So and the same process will go on for Nest Plus. So any of the two apps, so you can go on it. So but this is more preferable for people that are using iOS 17 and 18, so it will work definitely well for you. So yeah, you are signed in with, so yeah, I've signed up with a Google, so it's going to direct me to an account. So I click on get number. So this is Nest Plus. So I click on, so this is Nest Plus. So I think the interface of Nest Plus and TextPlus are literally the same. So let me, so I go with TextPlus, Texas. So let's 49, get a number, activating. So the same thing. So this thing works more for people that are using iOS. So if you are using iOS, this thing can work more for you. And also if you have a good connection, if you are using an Android, so you can keep trying it, and then you'll be able to get a number very easily on your accounts. And I hope this video is very helpful, and you can be able to activate, get a free US number activated, so anywhere you are. So thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel, Dave Heroic. Bye for now.